Understanding how to reset your Comcast Business router and locate default passwords is essential for maintaining network security and troubleshooting connectivity issues. There are two main types of router resets. A soft reset, also called a restart, simply power cycles the device while preserving all your custom settings. This is useful for resolving temporary connectivity issues. A hard reset, or factory reset, completely erases all custom configurations and returns the router to its original factory settings. This is necessary for major troubleshooting or recovering from security breaches. You can find your router's default password in several locations. The most common place is on a physical label located on the router's back or bottom panel, often labeled as password, WPA key, or network key. Default passwords can also be found in the original documentation included with your router, through your Comcast Business account dashboard online, or via their official mobile applications. The Comcast Business account dashboard provides a convenient way to access device-specific information, including default credentials for your networking equipment. Since 2025, Comcast Business has enhanced security by implementing device-specific credentials instead of generic default passwords. This means each router now has unique security credentials, significantly improving baseline network security. Understanding these fundamentals of router resets and password locations will help you maintain secure and reliable network connectivity for your business operations. There are three main ways to reset your Comcast Business router, each suited for different situations. We'll walk through each method step by step, then show you how to find your default passwords. The first method uses the physical reset button on your router. The second method uses the web interface through your browser. The third method uses the Comcast Business mobile app. Method 1 uses the physical reset button on your router. First, ensure your router is powered on and locate the small recessed reset button, usually on the back or side of the device. Using a paperclip or similar tool, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Then release the button and wait 2 to 3 minutes for the router to completely reboot and return to factory settings. Method 2 uses the web interface. Open your browser and navigate to your router's IP address, typically 10.0.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. After logging in with your admin credentials, navigate to the System or Administration settings. Look for options labeled Factory Reset or Restore Defaults, then confirm the action. Method 3 uses the Comcast Business mobile app. Open the app and select your router from the device list, then navigate to Advanced Settings or System Tools. Look for the Factory Reset option and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the action. This method is convenient when you need to reset the router remotely. After resetting your router, you'll need the default password to reconnect. There are several places to find this information. First, check the physical label on your router's back or bottom panel. Look for entries labeled Password, WPA key, or Network key. The password often follows a pattern like the word password plus the last 4 digits of the MAC address. You can also log in to your Comcast Business account portal online to find device-specific credentials or contact customer service with your account information for assistance. Remember, immediately after resetting your router, change the default password to something secure and unique. This is crucial for protecting your network from unauthorized access.